Power fuck gang is in the fucking house, bitch. We are the fuckers. We make the house shake. We fuck every rap into existence. Get out of the way. We fuck you up. Power fuck gang is in the fucking house, bitch. We are the fuckers. We make the house shake. We fuck every rap into existence. Get out of the way. We fuck you up.
Guys, this one promises to be absolutely amazing.
But as they say, promises are made to be broken, Michael. So in this case, I think we're safe.
We make the house shake. We fuck every. Get out the way, here come the Bonzen Foundation. Money, power, corruption, no discussion. Gold in the veins, blood in the hands. Get out the way, here come the Bonzen Foundation. March to the beat of the grand command. No love, no mercy, just domination. Here comes the Bonzen Foundation. Yeah, here comes the Bonzen Foundation.
The atmosphere inside this arena for this one is absolutely insane, guys.
And if you think this is insane, just wait until this thing kicks into high gear. You ain't seen nothing yet.
Yeah, here comes the Bonzen Foundation. Test your mind. Choose your fate. Round one. Fight. Still won't stop in the neon rain. Blood cold etched in my DNA. No reset, no second chance. Just rage and rhythm and dance. I see your mask, but I wear mine too. We're all just players in a game we never knew. World of brutality. Mortal Kombat. Fucking fatality. Mortal Kombat. Barbarity. The combat is on, and the combat is on. Mortal Kombat. Test your mind.
Byron, are you at all surprised by the intensity level inside this arena right now?
Not in the least bit, Michael. This is the one the WWE Universe has been looking forward to for quite some time.
Mortal Kombat! Teach in the soul, rage in the core. Every punchline's a metaphor. I'm not your hero, I'm not your clone. I'm the final boss.
Hey, I played word association with Anderson Gallows earlier today. I said Byron Saxton. You know what they said? Let me guess, I got this. Nerd! One of the all-time great tag teams. Legends in Japan. Former tag team champions here at WWE. As big and bad as they come.
Their motto's always been very clear. We're here to beat people up
and win championship. A couple of good hoots looking to make a trip to the pay window. Harsh impact. Effectively using the knee. He's not in a good spot here, guys.
He simply needs to find a way to regroup.
Vicious attack. Ooh, what impact. Boom, right in the butt. Oh, using the knee as a weapon. Boom. What a stomp. Good grief. Tear the features clean off your face. Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
Oh, my goodness, crushing it. Bringing it back into the ring. Oh, what a right. Yeah, that's some attitude behind it. Ooh, nailed it. Out the arm. Oh, my goodness, crushing it. Challenger starting to falter. He needs to create some space and find a way to get back on the offensive.
I think a lot of people right now are scratching their heads wondering how he let this match get so out of hand.
Going to the top, high risk, and the O'Reilly combo. Incredible. Takes him.
Did he go for it too early? Yeah, few superstars are as acrobatic.
Oh, beautiful.
Can't waste any time here. I think that's it.
What a stomp. Good grief. On the mark. Ooh, neck breaker. Beautiful technique. You gotta believe this one's over. Oh, nasty impact. Oh, what impact. Oh, from the rope. Oh. The challenger's starting to slow down a bit here. Well, he knew the champion wasn't going to go down easy here tonight.
And knowing him the way I do, I'm willing to bet he thought he was going to get through this match unscathed. But that obviously is not the case here.
Oof. What a stomp. Good grief. Harsh impact.
And it's obvious that Karl Anderson's having a good time in there.
Oh, what a chancery. This could be all she wrote. Man, what a slam. That's how you put an exclamation point on a match. Northern Lights. Ooh, what an upper. Ooh, right to the back. Boom, what impact.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Side Russian leg sweep.
Oh, perfect form.
All respect given, it looks like Luke Gallows could be done for.
This is clearly not the same competitor who started this match in such great shape. This might be it.
Oh my.
The challenger's taking on some offense. To be expected, though, it's not like he's in there with a slouch, guys.
There's very little for him to be concerned about here, guys. He's had his opponent's number for nearly this entire match, and I suspect we'll see him get back on the offensive very shortly. Oh boy, he is rolling.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Too quick for him there. And Byron, this takes a ton of strength to pull off, am I right?
Oh, boom, with the cutter.
But I don't know how much gas he has left, guys. Momentum is fully in the corner of Karl Anderson now.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, what a chancery. The face first. Famouser.
This is his opportunity to
Face first. Famouser.
Can he finish him off here?
Super kick. Oh, nasty impact. He's going for it all. Nailed it. The challenger inside. Oh, driver. Spiked him.
Oh man, the champ looks absolutely out of it right now.
He's too quick for him there.
Oh, he goes low. You're not cheating, you're not trying.
And there's the reversal from Luke Gallows.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Strong kick.
My goodness. Kick.
Oh my goodness, what an impactful STO.
And the slam. This might be it.
Oh my.
The middle rope. Kinshasa.
To think, I almost wrote him off earlier.
The night could be over for Karl Anderson. Oh, continuing to punish them.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
He knows he's in trouble.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Kinshasa! Now it's time to capitalize.
The night could be over for Karl Anderson.
Impactful slam.
And with the cutter. The champ's in a real bad place right now.
It took two, but it looks like that one should do the trick.
Going for the big one.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
This is truly a test here to see what Karl Anderson can do. He has to come up with Can he finish the job?
Got him good there.
Yeah, let's take another look.
Ooh, what impact. Oh my goodness, crushing it.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, Karl Anderson has been busted open.
You gotta believe this one's over.
A striking blow.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, this is dangerous right here. Inverted power slam.
Wow. Big time slam.
Vicious.
Warm up the bus. This one is over.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like incoming.
Boom. Rocket kick. Wow. Boom. Rocket kick. But can he follow up here? This is Karl Anderson's chance.
This is, look out.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Looking for a repeat. Neck breaker.
This is his opportunity to win this thing.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
When this guy's on, look out. Oh, and he's taken off his feet.
I'll tell you, he can't afford to be horizontal at this point in the match, Cole.
Karl Anderson with a nice reversal.
Boom, what impact.
Incredible striking combination.
The O'Reilly combo.
The champ's in a bad way now, Cole. Just as devastating the second time around.
Wow, I thought he was a goner.
Beautiful technique.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, man, he hit hard. Man, what impact.
DDT.
Landed.
This one's over, guys.
And there's his speed paying off.
No question. He's showing great energy as usual.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
Should be getting coached up right now. Shaking spine buster from the good brother himself. That might just be the final nail in the coffin.
Luke Gallows is in position.
Choke bomb. The champ needs to hurry here.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Oh, a knee right to the face.
That knee is a lethal weapon. We might be looking at a new champ here.
Harsh impact.
Oh, so by Karl Anderson.
Woo-wee. What a strike. Oh! Right to the back.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Woo-wee. I don't like the look in his eye here, folks. No, there's the reversal. Big move coming. Wait for it. Moonsault.
Warm up the...
This might be it.
Oh my, but he's got to capitalize now.
Oh no, I don't like Luke Gallows' chances in this one. Don't count out Big LG just yet. Down to the floor.
With the cutter. Don't be surprised if we crown a new champ here. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Using the elbow as a weapon. Inside the ring now. Oh man, backbreaker. And a knee stomp.
That'll ruin your leg. Oh, that might have just broken some...
Counter here.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Going to be woozy after that impact. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. What a strike. The champ being pushed to the brink.
He may not even know where he's at this point, which is not a good look when your championship is on the line.
He is hurt. Gallows isn't looking too good, brothers.
I'm not your brother. Don't speak ill of Gallows. He's going to be just fine.
Nailed it. Yeah, no question. He's showing great energy as usual.
The challenger's championship dreams are fading quickly. We may be looking at the beginning of the end here for the challenger.
Rampage! Man,
Here's his moment, Michael. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Drop kick.
Back in from the floor.
It's a tough spot to find yourself in, that's for sure.
But if anybody could break free from this, it's this superstar right here.
Ooh, right in the face.
destroyed.
Boom!
Oh boy.
Bulldog!
To think, I almost
Vicious strike. This is all but over.
Wow, that should be the final blow.
Boom, what impact.
Axe handle finds its target.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
He wants no part of the outside. You gotta believe this one's over. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go.
Face plant. History might be made here. He better hope he can sustain this.
Haymaker connects. Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow. Ooh, what impact. Ooh. Oh, nasty impact. Bad spot for him to be in here, guys. He's got to do something to get back in this thing.
He's going for it all.
What an uppercut. That'll cost some teeth. He's got him in trouble up on the top rope. Oh, what a slam.
When this guy's on, look out.
Oh, this could be bad. This could be really bad.
Beautiful technique.
Oof. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Get in there, ref. He's calling for it. A striking blow.
Ooh, right to the face.
That has got to be it.
He better hope he can sustain this.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Anderson picks him up. Fireman's carry cutter.
To check.
Oh, gutbuster. Evisceration.
But can he follow up here?
Here's Anderson live and up close. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Ooh, what an uppercut. Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow.
Harsh impact. And he's heading back in.
Beautiful technique. Yeah, if he hits this, the match is over.
Nailed it. He's looking at it. Oh, what height.
We might have a new champion here, guys.
No, he reverses it. He's got him here. He's got him. What a sidewalk slam.
He is finished.
Oh, my goodness. This hurts. Oh! Reverses that one. No, reverses it. Goes down hard. He misses the dive.
And unfortunately for him, there was no water in the pool.
Shining Wizard.
Right to the jaw.
The championship is in serious jeopardy, guys.
Look out, there he goes. Knocked right off his feet. Harsh impact.
Well, that'll hinder your modeling career. This might be it.
Oh, my.
Ooh, what impact.
Oh, boy, he is rolling. Dominating shoulder tackle.
Sharp knee.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. You gotta believe this one's over.
He gets him with a reversal. Really working over the body.
The challenger looking absolutely exhausted in there. You can't help but wonder how much more of this he can take. Let's remember, though, guys, his opponent doesn't seem to be in great shape either. He's making a statement here with this attack.
Look at If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will.
We have seen him here before.
Dominating cross body. This one's over, guys. Yeah, I don't remember the last time I saw a more impactful splash.
Ooh! Now he's working that exploit. Ooh! Look at that! Oh, the Bam Bam Salt!
Game, set, match. This one is over.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
He looks for it once again.
Shining Wizard! The title is slipping away here.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Rampage!
Man, but I don't know how much gas he has left, guys.
I think that slam caught us all off.
Oh my goodness!
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Quick thinking to avoid that one.
A bad place to be for the challenger. His hopes of winning this match appear to be...
That's yours in your head.
Karl Anderson definitely looks off his game here tonight.
Back breaker.
Look at this.
Oh, an elbow drop.
Oh, it's a piercing elbow. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Avoids trouble there.
What should Karl Anderson's mindset be at this point in time? Guys, he's going to have to turn things around quickly if he wants to win this thing.
He's looked great up until now, and it's imperative that he doesn't lose focus and let his opponent back into this match. That's what he was looking for, Michael.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
The challenger not in a great place.
Jump bomb.
That might just be the final nail in the coffin. Definitely got it all that time.
Ah, backbreaker.
When this guy's on, look out.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Incredible impact. He's too quick for him there. He gets him with a reversal. Lightning fast reflexes. What a strike. Oh no, he's taken down.
You know, I don't think he has much left.
Ring rattling.
Karl Anderson is looking very critical now. This is about as bad as it gets for him.
Whoa, Anderson dodged that one. Oh boy, he is rolling.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Neck breaker.
That could be it. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Super kick. Not so fast. Boom, what impact.
The end
Bulldog. The champ's in a bad
Face first. Famouser.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
Knocked him right off his feet.
Yeah, no kidding.
Nobody controls the pace of a...
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Momentum clearly in it. Ah, what a neck breaker.
The champ's in a real bad place right now. Oh boy, he is rolling.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Boom, right to the face.
Oh, incredible combo.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
Talk about rocking the jaw.
Keep your eye on this one.
We have seen him here before. Look out! Oh, the Bam Bam Salt!
That should do it. That'll mess with your insides, Michael.
Oh, and it's a reversal. Big time takedown right there.
This might just be it for him, Michael.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. When this guy's on, look out. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Right across the back of the neck.
Oh, what a combo! Set him up.
Ooh, nice Russian leg sweep. Elbow drop.
Big time.
Whoa, Anderson dodged that one. Whoa, Anderson dodged that one. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Uh-oh. Look out. Oh, backbreaker.
Nailed it. Oh, nasty impact.
Oh, what impact.
Hooked up.
Oh, right to the show. This might be it.
Oh, my. That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
Yeah, no question. He's showing great energy as usual.
Bringing it back into the ring. Ooh, what impact. You gotta believe this one's over. Ooh.
Just a little showboating from Karl Anderson.
That kick will stop me in your tracks. Sidewalk slam.
Boom! Rocket kick. We might have a new champion here, guys.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Brutal knee right to the face.
Harsh impact.
Boom!
Now he's working that
Neck breaker.
Ouch.
That's how you put an exclamation point on a match.
The night could be over for Karl Anderson. Boom! With the cover. Oh, man, the champ looks absolutely out of it right now.
Momentum is fully in the corner of Karl Anderson now.
Back suplex. Very nice.
The challenger not looking good at all. With the cover. Don't be surprised if we crown a new champ here. Oh, boy, he is rolling. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. The challenger not in a great place. The challenger is starting to feel the pressure of this high-profile championship match.
Yeah, but the good news is that he still appears...
Oh, driver!
Spiked him.
This one is over.
That was a long way down.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Given the number of times we've seen it tonight, calling it a finisher might destroy your face.
We might be looking at a new champ here. Luke Gallows is in a real bad spot.
Ooh, the face destroyed.
I'd be shocked if Gallows has anything left.
Oof.
What powerbomb planted. Don't be surprised if you crown a new champ here.
What a strike. Showing off some of his speed there.
And with the cutter. We might be looking at a new champ here. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Comes clobbered by the steps.
That'll make you reassess some things.
Escapes trouble there.
Oh, debilitating elbow drop.
Oh, clobbered by the steps.
That'll make you reassess some things.
And he's heading back in. The steps connect.
That hurt me just watching.
Gallows has to find a way to get back on offense.
Yeah, this match is going to be over.
I think it's safe to say that this might be the beginning of the end for the champ.
Gallows isn't looking too good, brothers.
I'm not your brother. Don't speak ill of Gallows. He's going to be just fine. The challenger in some big trouble here. I have a feeling this isn't going to end well for him.
Clearly, they're both running on fumes right now. And at this point, it might just be a choke bomb. Man, looked like the champ was down and out for a moment there, but not anymore.
Look out here. Oh, and he reverses it. Right across. He's making a statement here with this attack. Beautiful technique. Now back to the ring. You gotta believe this one's over.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
When this guy's on, look out. Inverted power slam. Wow. Oh, and he dodges out of the way.
Harsh impact.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Guys, there's the Matt and the O'Reilly combo.
Can he finish him off here? Jeez, it feels like I have the same song on my playlist on repeat.
Kinshasa.
What a comeback.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
He's playing with him now. What a stomp. Good grief.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Karl Anderson with a nice reversal.
Putting it all on the line.
Beautiful side Russian leg sweep.
And boom, with the cutter. That has got to be it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure our table just shook a bit.
Oh, a running Dragon Rana.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Across the shoulders, up and the check.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize? That's one of those moves where you check your...
Greetings from Asbury Park.
Send you a postcard.
Here's his chance to win this.
get out of the way there. Nice little dodge scheme.
Shoot bar. This one's over, guys. Jeez, I felt that one over here.
Lightning fast.
Bulldog. Delivered with force.
The champ face first.
Famous.
Now it's time to capitalize.
Here are your winners, and still WCW World Tag Team Champions, Gallows and Karl Anderson, the Outlaws.
What a grueling match. It looked like anybody's match there toward the end.
You know, it didn't happen often, but I can attest, being pinned is humiliating.
With that win in the books, we must now move on.